In this video, I'm going to explain how YouTube TV works with Xfinity, so you can enjoy live TV streaming alongside your existing internet or cable service. Let's get started. If you're an Xfinity customer, you can easily integrate YouTube TV into your entertainment setup to access live TV, on-demand content, and DVR features without needing traditional cable. First, it's important to note that YouTube TV is a separate service from Xfinity. While Xfinity provides your internet connection, YouTube TV is a standalone streaming platform that requires its own subscription. To use YouTube TV, ensure your Xfinity internet plan meets the recommended speed requirements, typically at least 13 megabits per second for smooth streaming on multiple devices. To get started, sign up for YouTube TV by visiting their website or downloading the app on your smart TV, streaming device, like Roku, Fire Stick, or Chromecast, or gaming console. During setup, you'll be prompted to enter your zip code to determine the local channels available in your area. Once subscribed, you can stream live TV from networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, ESPN, and more, all through the YouTube TV app. If you're using Xfinity's Flexbox, a streaming device provided by Xfinity for internet-only customers, you can access YouTube TV directly through the Flex interface. Simply open the YouTube TV app from the Flex dashboard and sign in with your account credentials. This integration makes it easy to switch between YouTube TV and other streaming apps like Netflix or Hulu. For billing convenience, Xfinity sometimes offers promotions where you can bundle YouTube TV with your internet service. Check Xfinity's website or contact their customer support to see if such offers are available in your area. Finally, ensure your Wi-Fi network is optimized for streaming. If you experience buffering or connectivity issues, try connecting your streaming device to your Xfinity router via Ethernet for a more stable connection. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on integrating streaming services with your current setup. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using YouTube TV with Xfinity. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.